In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Constant Contact subscription with PayPal. To begin, open Constant Contact in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you are using the account where you want to activate or upgrade the subscription. Once you are signed in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. This is important because the account and billing options are usually located in the main account menu, not directly on the first screen. After you are on the Constant Contact dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your account name or profile menu in that area. Click on your account name to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains account-related settings, including subscription and billing options. From the drop-down, select Plan and Pricing. This will take you to the section where Constant Contact shows the available subscription options for your account. Once the Plan and Pricing page opens, take a moment to review the email marketing plan tiers that are available. You may see different tiers depending on your account type, current plan, or region. Choose the email marketing plan tier that best matches what you need. This is the point where you are selecting the subscription level before moving on to payment. So it is worth checking that the plan includes the features you want to use. After you select your preferred plan tier, Constant Contact will move you forward to the payment method screen. This is where you choose how you want to pay for the subscription. Look through the payment options shown on the page and select PayPal as your payment method. Choosing PayPal allows you to complete the purchase through your PayPal account, instead of entering card details directly into Constant Contact. When PayPal is selected, look for the button that says Continue to PayPal. Click Continue to PayPal to move from Constant Contact into the PayPal checkout process. At this point, a PayPal pop-up window should appear on your screen. This window is used to securely connect your PayPal account to the Constant Contact payment process. In the PayPal pop-up window, log into your PayPal account. If PayPal asks for the email address connected to your account, enter it in the email field, then click Next. Be sure to use the PayPal account you want to use for this subscription. Continue through the PayPal sign-in process as prompted, without sharing or displaying any sensitive information while recording or following along. Once you are signed in, PayPal will show the available payment sources connected to your account. This may include a PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or another saved payment method, depending on what you have already set up inside PayPal. Select the payment source you prefer to use for the Constant Contact subscription. Take a moment to confirm that the correct source is selected before continuing. After your payment source is selected, click Agree and Continue. This confirms that you want to use PayPal for the subscription payment and allows the PayPal checkout process to continue back toward Constant Contact. From here, PayPal and Constant Contact will process the payment connection using the method you selected. That covers everything you need to know to buy a Constant Contact subscription using PayPal. You log into Constant Contact, open Plan and Pricing from your account menu, choose your preferred email marketing plan, select PayPal on the payment screen, continue to PayPal, sign in, choose your payment source, and click Agree and Continue. And that is all there is to it.